Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will reveal the secrets of how to earn $10,000 in just 1 month by completing online surveys. Many people have discovered the potential of online surveys as a reliable source of additional income. And now, we are excited to share our proven strategies for success with you. Section 1. Why online surveys? Before we dive into the details, let's briefly discuss why online surveys are a great opportunity. First, it's a convenient way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. You no longer need to commute or adhere to strict working hours. Online surveys allow you to work whenever and wherever you want. Second, there is no specific qualification or experience required. Anyone can participate in online surveys, regardless of their educational background or previous work experience. Lastly, it's a flexible option that fits around your schedule. Whether you have part-time or full-time commitments, you can easily adjust your survey-taking activities to suit your availability. Section 2. Finding legitimate survey platforms. Now that you understand the advantages of online surveys, let's talk about finding legitimate survey platforms. With the increasing number of survey websites out there, it's crucial to choose reliable platforms that pay well and protect your personal information. Look for platforms with positive reviews and testimonials from other participants, as it's a good indicator of their trustworthiness. Additionally, consider platforms that offer a variety of survey opportunities to increase your earning potential. Remember, a legitimate survey platform will never ask you for any upfront payment or personal banking details. Section 3. Maximizing your earnings. Once you've signed up for reputable survey platforms, it's important to maximize your earnings. Here are a few proven strategies to boost your survey income. 1. Complete your profile. Take the time to fill out your profile with accurate information. 1. This allows survey platforms to match you with surveys suited to your demographics, increasing your chances of qualifying for higher-paying surveys. 2. Set a dedicated survey-taking schedule. Treat survey-taking as a part-time job and allocate fixed hours to complete surveys. 2. This consistency will enable you to take advantage of time-limited opportunities and optimize your earnings. 3. Participate in focus groups and product testing. Look out for surveys that offer focus group invitations or product testing opportunities. 3. These generally provide higher payouts and a chance to influence the development of new products or services. 4. Refer friends and family. Many survey platforms have referral programs. 4. Utilize these programs to invite your friends and family to join. 4. You can earn extra income whenever they successfully complete surveys or sign up using your referral link. 5. Take advantage of bonus offers and promotions. Stay up to date with the latest promotions and bonus opportunities provided by survey platforms. 5. Some surveys offer additional incentives like cash bonuses or prize draws, increasing your overall earnings. Congratulations! By following these steps, you are now equipped with the knowledge to start earning significant income by completing online surveys. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to maximizing your earnings. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring legitimate survey platforms today and unlock the potential of online surveys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online and other ways to improve your financial situation. If you have any questions or want to share your success stories, please leave a comment down below. Happy surveying!